Hello. Today we will cover the instructions to access your Dragonmail account for Paris Junior College. Your Dragonmail account is handled through the Google Gmail system. You do not need to create the account, as Paris Junior College will create it for you. If you have an existing Gmail account, you will need to sign out of it before you can log in to your Dragonmail account. To begin to sign into your Dragonmail account, we must first open a web browser such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or Microsoft Edge. Here we're going to open Google Chrome in the example. Once your browser is open, in the URL box at the top of the browser window, we will need to type in the web address of the site of gmail.com. And then press the Enter key on the keyboard. The Gmail site from Google should now appear on the screen. We will then need to sign in to your account by clicking on Sign In over on the right. Another window opens asking for your Dragonmail account, where it says email, where the cursor is blinking. Your Dragonmail address depends upon the length of your Paris Junior College student ID number. If your student ID number is 6 digits in length, then we will use the last 4 digits of your ID number. However, if your student ID number is 9 digits in length, then we will use the first 4 digits of your ID number. The Dragonmail address completely will be your first initial of your first name, followed by your last name. Then the portion of your student ID number based on what the number of digits that we determined a few seconds ago, followed by the @ sign, the word dragons with an S, a dot, the word Paris JC, a dot, and the word EDU. As an example, let's suppose a student's name is Barbara with the last name of Jones, and they have a 6-digit ID number of 123456. They would have a Dragonmail address of B. Jones, and since they had a 6-digit number of 123456, we would use the last 4 digits, 3456, then the @ symbol, dragons, dot, parisjc.edu. If the student's name instead use the same name as Barbara Jones, but let's say that they had a 9-digit number of 123456789. Then the Dragonmail address would be B. Jones and the first 4 digits of the 9-digit number, 1234, at dragons.parisjc.edu. We would then scroll down and click on the Next button. It will then ask you for the password. The password to begin with will be your birthday. It'll be an 8-digit format, for 2 digits for the month, 2 digits for the day, and 4 digits for the year. So that, let's say this person here, as an example, was January the 5th of 1980. So since it's January, we would put 2 digits, 01 And the fifth would be 2 more digits, 05, and then the year, in this case, 1980. Then we would click on Next. Please read the Google Terms of Service screen, and once through reading it, choose Accept to continue. It should then come up and ask you to change your password to a more secure password. And then to confirm your more secure password, type in the exact same thing that you're changing it to. Then click the Change Password box. Google will then ask to protect your account further in case you get locked out or if they notice suspicious activity on your account. They can notify you. You can enter a recovery phone number and/or recovery email. Your choice if you wish to do so. I'm not going to do so for this example, but if you do wish to do so, click on Update. After you get through updating what you wish, we will click on Confirm to go to the next screen. The next screen is a welcome screen from Google's Gmail, talking about any new features it may have. We're going to click on Next on this fresh new look screen. It will then offer us some different views that you can choose. In this case, we're just going to use the default, which is what is selected right now. So I'm going to click on OK. We are now in our Gmail account for Paris Junior College for your Dragonmail account. And it will show you some emails that you may have received from different classes, teachers, etc. Once you are through using your Gmail, if you wish to log out of it, to sign out of it, we will go up to the top of the right-hand corner of the browser, in which you should see the first letter of your first name. Click once on it, and then we can go down in the list and choose Sign Out. And that will sign us out of Gmail. We thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please call the PJC Help Desk at 903-782-0496. Thank you.